Good morning, children. Today I am going to revise again Indian and international system of numeration. Last time when I corrected your homework, I saw that many of them are getting confused between Indian and international system. So I am going to revise it again. So I have my question here. It is 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 1. This we are going to write in Indian system. This we are going to write in international system. You know that, children, in Indian system, comma will come from behind after 3 places, then 2 places, then 2 places. Alright? So let's put here. So 1, 2, 3 Indian system, then again 1, 2. Now we cannot proceed further because it is over. Now let us write the periods. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. Now we are going to write the number from your left side. Okay. Now you can see here there is no 10 lakh, no crore, no problem. You just see what is the first number? 3. 3 is in lakhs place. How do you write it? 3 lakh. Now 5, 6 is together in thousands place. So it will be 3 lakh 56,791. Okay. Next one, international system. From behind, right side, you are going to put comma after 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Above you write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. In international system we have then 100,000. Now here you are going to read from left side of your number. These 3 numbers are together in 1 comma. So it will be read as 356,000. It is in the thousands place. So I will write here 356,791. Got it? 356,791. Many of you are missing the word 100 when you are writing your homework. Alright, so be careful about it. Let's do the second one. This number again in Indian system and in international system. So Indian system, from behind 3 places, 1, 2, 3, comma, then 2 places, 1, 2, then 1, 2. Okay. Now we write here the periods. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. No crore is there. No problem. Now write the name of this number starting from your left side of the number. What it is in together? 5, 4 in 1 comma. So it is 54 lakh. So I'll write here 54 lakh. The next number is 6, 7 in thousands place. So 6, 7 together you read it as 67,000. 8, 0, 9 together is read as 809. 54 lakh 67,809. Now same thing in international system. International system, comma after 3 places. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000 and million. Yes, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. From the left side of your number you are going to write the name. It is in 5 million. So write here 5 million. Now 4, 6, 7 together in 1 comma. So how do you read 4, 6, 1, children? It is read as 467. Now it is in the thousands place. So I will write here 1000. 809 together. So it will be read as 8 109. Is that clear how it is? 5,467,809. Understood, children? Numbers appearing together in one comma will be read together. Now, second topic which we are going to learn is expanded form. Alright, so once the number is given to you, you are going to write in the expanded form. So the first step is, children, you write the number, copy the number. Then you know that expanded forms we are going to learn in Indian system only this year. So we are going to write here Indian system periods. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, and you have crores. Yes. Now, how do you write? Start with left side of your number. It is 3 crore. How do you write 3 crore? Am I correct? Write 3. First digit you write, remaining all you write zeros. Or you write 3 crore. No problem. Plus, write 4, remaining all zeros. Hope you are following, children. Right? This 0, 0, 0, then again zeros. Plus, now write 5, remaining zeros. That means 5 lakh. Plus, now this is 10, 1, 10,000. So, or you think like this, 1 and all zeros. Plus, 6 and all zeros. Then, 8 and 2 zeros. Okay. Then you have 0 here, children. So, write here 0. Then you have 1. Now, if you carefully observe here, children, you can see that only the first number is not 0. Remaining all numbers are 0. Yes or no? So, you be careful when you are writing the expanded form, children. Only the first digit will come, which is not 0. Remaining all numbers will be 0. When you gave me the homework, you have written the second digit also as a number. Second digit will never be a number. Second digit onwards, you can see all numbers are 0. Now second one, same way, Indian system, write the periods, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. So let us write the number from your left side. Okay, so it is 4 lakh. So 4, remaining all, you make it 0. Yes, this all zeros. Then 30,000. Then 6 and all zeros. Then 9 and 2 zeros. That means 900s. Then 9 tens means 90. Then you have 6. Is it clear, children? Don't get confused. Even if there is no crore, no 10 lakh, no need of worry. Whatever is number given to you, start writing from your left side with the periods.